What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Billy's Idaho Adventures. Went on a duck hunt yesterday, which you'll see here in just a few seconds on this video, and I totally forgot to do an intro to the video. It was day 6 of hunting. Actually, it was day 7 of hunting, 7 days straight, and hunting honestly has been really slow until yesterday. And I don't know if I was excited or the fact that we got out there a little bit late, but I had totally forgot to do an intro. So here's a little mini intro to an episode where we didn't kill limits of birds, but we definitely had the chance to. I was shooting a little crappy, but finally the birds have started to show up here in Idaho. And we pretty much put the smackdown on him yesterday. It was a lot of fun with my neighbor Derek, and we went out and just had a hell of a day. Got out there mid-morning, 9 o'clock, and right off the bat, didn't even have decoys out. Already had birds working into our spot. Iris has had a little trouble. She had to go to the vet, and she had an infection in her jaw. From pheasant hunting. She got a sticker on the inside of her mouth that went through the lining of her throat and had a huge abscess type infection. So she's been down and out for a while, and so her dog work kind of fell off a little bit, but she did great. It was so fast and so furious yesterday that I totally forgot to hit the record button a couple times, and honestly the video is kind of crappy in the way that I didn't get all the shots on camera, but we had an absolute amazing day. We shot some honkers. We had ducks decoying pretty much feet down right in our face, and it was a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching the video today. Remember, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Here we go. He didn't see any decoys.
No.
Well, that was cool. Anyway, so if you just want to set the honkers, I'll go get everything else set.
Yeah, got it.
Man, Iris was standing out there on the rock and everything, and he didn't flare.
Bird. We just got to get head down, but I got another 5 coming in.
Sit! Sit down. No, Iris. I had to try. Iris, come here!
Iris.
Come here! Down! Holy crap. Yeah.
I am so hot right now.
I am too. There's two right here.
My call's okay?
Yeah. God, those honkers are shootable if they would fly over us. Oh, these ducks. Oh, God damn it. He saw Iris.
Here it comes.
I lost him.
You're right. We need one more round to see if the gun sight is.
Right here to the left, right here to the left. Straight up. I'm pretty sure we both hit that one.
I think that one's dead. Did you cycle?
Yep, cycled twice.
Oh, look at them come up.
You want me to wait?
No. Well, I mean, yeah. It's in Iris. It's Iris.
She didn't see it go down. We're gonna get birds right here. Sit, Iris, sit. gotta get that bird because he's starting to go down.
All right.
Come on, Iris. Yep. You want to shoot this one? Go. He got hit hard.
God damn, he did.
I thought
I was dropping him with the first one.
he's gonna die. Watch, he'll fold out there somewhere.
Yeah, he's going.
He just died.
He did.
He just folded and died.
God.
God damn it. You freaking smoked that bird. I might change the choke out on this. A little too tight.
Shit, he did just fold, didn't he?
He went straight over there and he folded and died and fell out of the sky. Is that better? Right in the sun. They're behind me. Right to your left. Shoot him. Did you kill it?
Yeah.
All right, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, he's done. Iris, here. Get that bird, Iris.
Good eye. Good girl. Thank you.
Get that bird, Iris. Get that bird. Get that bird. Get that bird. Good girl. Here. Here. Iris, here. 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 God damn it.
Great bird, Iris.
Iris, fetch it up.
Fetch it up.
Get the bird. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Here. 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 Good girl. Here. Here. Fetch it up. Get the bird. Good girl. Here. 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 All right. That was better. That was better.
Yeah. Mallard?
Yeah, it's a big old mallard.
New lard?
The other one was a widgeon.
Yeah. Well, I went to this one on the left.
I didn't even shoot at this one.
A new lard.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Keep doing that, you'll be okay.
Those ones did it better.
Yeah.
I wish we could shoot 25.
I was adding geese into that.
Oh. Shoot him. It's not going anywhere. Good girl here. Good girl here. Good girl here. 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 Good girl here. Here. Good girl here. Here. Did I ring you?
No, but I also knew where she was when I shot over.
Oh, I saw that.
Okay.
You're good. Good girl here. She drop it.
Yeah. Come on. Stitch it up.
Did the vet jack you up or something?
And they are swinging in here.
They're swinging in better for sure.
But they don't, they're still.
Did I ring you on that one? I was right next to your head.
What?
Hey, stupid. It's right here. Right here. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Okay, when we get home, on the days that we're not hunting, we're gonna work on some force fetch stuff. Get that bird, Iris. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Here. Fetch it up. Iris, fetch it up. Iris, go get the back. Back.
You know, you're gonna have to start paying her more. I don't think you're fair enough.
Back. Iris, back. Get the bird. Go get the bird. Go get the bird. Go get the bird. God damn it. Iris, hey, get the bird. Get the bird. Really? Good girl. No, this is the only one. Yeah. Curls for the girls. That's a big mallard. Come on. He's trying to lose altitude, but
Yeah. He can't make up his mind.
oh, now there's a big V of them. You see him? Back downriver over the island.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's gonna see those and he's gonna... Damn, that...
What was that that just cut right across to the left? Going away?
Iris, here! Here! Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, I got it. Sit. All right, we're coming back. Good girl. She actually brought it to me. Good girl. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Right down on the other side of those trees. Hey guys, and I also forgot to do an outro to my video hunt yesterday. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And the one big bird that I forgot to hit the record button on the camera was this big 14-pound honker. Big old 14-pound honker that we got yesterday. We actually shot 2 of them, but we lost one in the river and the current, which is sad. But just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Remember to shoot straight, be safe, and I'll see you out there on the mountain. Have a great rest of your day.